Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Naga Students Union Shillong kala Pynrem jur halor ka Jingjia thombor bat bumkhain snap yaki Kynthei khamtam ka jing panyai lingkhoi yaki Arngut ki Kynthei ka jala Manipur ka bala sapriang lingma ki social media kini ka jingle jong kini ki brave kalong ka jingle aran ya ka than chetela mi ngi madikri India hi Baroh ka wei kini ka kinhon kala penlong ya ka Jingjia sngolam ka benta ka mensim jong ki to ki bala khlat no na ka Jingjia ya snam ka jala Manipur ka Nsus kala penpau bakini Baroh ka dei na ka jingbam shim khia jong ka sarkar jilla bat ka sarkar pedeng bat ka dei ka kamram jong ki ar sarkar ban shim ni ka jingkit khli ban wanra ya ka shongsuk shongsan ha Manipur nakaliang uciran simra presiden ke Nsus habakren bat kinong thok khubor ulaong pakai union ka Kyntu ya Baroh klem da sngoper jat benreu ban Ïatreilang ban wanra ya ka shongsuk shongsan ha ka jilla Shushu nakaliang ke union kala Pynrem yo menteri rangba ke jela Manipur UN Biren Singh bat kumjuru yo menteri rangba do kari India Narendra Modi kiba klem wat ikilat kilenti ban wanra ya ka shongsuk shongsan ha ka ke jela nadu ka basdang jong gani ke Jingjia kan ah.
First of all, on behalf of the NSUS, Naga Student Union Shillong, Ïatreilang Shimra, President of NSUS, appreciate and thank various media channels for your responsibility. It is really heartbreaking and sad to know the current complicated situation in Manipur. It is very sad that two of our sisters are unfortunately used as toys, parading naked, as well as many others women were being exploited brutally, sexually, physically and morally. We vehemently condemn such heinous act and stand in solidarity with the victims, their families and their loved ones. We must stand united against any form of discrimination, hatred and violence. We urge the law enforcement agencies to conduct a thorough and impartial investigation to ensure that all individuals in this crime are brought to justice. NSUS appeal to all the NGOs, educational institutions, CSOs, including law enforcement agencies, to unite to create free discrimination and secure society for women. Once again, brothers and sisters, let us encourage peace. Let's pray for Manipur. May God bless Manipur. May God bless you all. Kongnalin.
Now it's been, how do you urge people to be non-violent and to restore peace in Manipur?
So to comment on that, we are living in the 21st century, what we call the most civilization we ever had before. And all should aware that regardless of ethnic, religious, community, state, boundaries, the killings can happen, the fightings can happen, the weapons can kill, but we should never commit, we should never take advantage of the women. We should never condemn, we should never violate the rights of the women. Each and everyone has the right to live.
This incident which happened, from a video that went viral,
Yes.
because it brings hue and cry in India as a whole. And it's a shame for our northeastern regions, northeast states. How do you react to this?
Sir, to speak on the crimes and situations and incidents that happened in Manipur, the state governments and the central government should take proper decision. You have to decisive. It's not about party politics. It's not about party involving solving a problem, but it's about building a country. We have seen that the Prime Minister of India never comment after 2.5 months, he comments when he sees the videos of the women molested sexually. But that is not the way how the government should function. But the thing is, what we want to comment is, no matter what, Hindu, Christian, Muslim, we living in a Indian Christian, but Indian is for the citizens of the Indians. So I encourage, party politics is nothing without the support of the people. Party politics will go in vain without the consent of the people. So we encourage the government of state, government of central government to restore peace in Manipur. We always encourage peace in Manipur. In Manipur, here in Shillong, sometimes we got internet ban, just 2-3 days, but we suffer a lot. We have face it, but in Manipur, nearly more than three months, it has been shut down. Many students, lakhs of students are there. School is not only a way of learning, but there are many where we can visit. In a clip of 1 minute, you can visit to the whole world. So today we should not deprive of this online learning. We should not deprive of education. So we also encourage to restore back the internet in Manipur, and let's give the opportunity to the younger generations to come. May God bless Manipur.
At the outset, I would like to thank the media persons, both print and electronic, of here in Shillong, for taking the trouble to come here to the office of the Naga Students in Shillong and cover and and to take the opinion and to take the concerns of what's happening in the state of Manipur. I am a student who is studying here in Shillong, and the Naga Students in Shillong comprises of 17 units, which basically is 17 Naga tribes. So, and I'm one of them. And my tribe hails from the state of Manipur. So right now what's happening in Manipur is greatly and gravely concerning. It's really saddening that the state and the central government is keeping mum, and it's hardly doing any substantial measures since the start. It could have been curbed since day one, but unfortunately the state government headed by our Honorable Chief Minister CM Biren Singh and the Prime Minister of India, which is from the central government, Mr. Modi, has not really taken care, has not genuinely taken care of the state Manipur. And the example, the fresh example is what has been happening for the past 70 odd days. And friends, it is now, if the state government and if the central is going to keep silent on something like this, on killings that is happening in Manipur, on grave violation of human rights, on grave violation of violation of rights of the women, and especially what has happened, interestingly, the incident that took place, not the incident, but the video that has surfaced over the internet, where it has reached, where it has woke the entire country, and the sheer silence of the government of India is more unfortunate. And we don't only condemn the actions that is taking place in the state of Manipur, but we condemn the silence of the government. And then we put the sole responsibility, the entire responsibility, to the state government and to the central government. Now, taking this opportunity, opportunity, we would also like to urge all the communities involved, be it Cookies or the Malays. We would like to request them to kindly cease, because ultimately what matters is our relationship and the way forward. Now, if we don't know much, see, hundreds have lost their life, more than 50,000 are displaced. Now the economy is going down, the entire state, the educational sector is collapsing. Now what are we actually waiting for? Now it is greatly important for all the communities, as human beings ultimately, as human beings, as right-thinking citizens of a country. I think it is greatly important for us to look forward and to cease the hostilities that is taking place. Now if we don't, why should we do this? Now this is for our future, and this is impacting entirely. We call it the ripple effect. Now it is not only impacting our country, the state of Manipur, but however it is impacting the neighboring states and the entire country. And now in this era, it is not a good sign for the countries across the globe know of what's happening in the state of Manipur. So this is a humble request as a citizen of, as a Naga, and as a citizen of Manipur, and as a citizen of this country. We would request all communities engaged, involved in this ongoing ethnic conflict, or whatever conflict you may call it, to kindly cease. And last but not the least, again a very serious message to the central government and the state government of Manipur. Please do something. Thank you so much.